I made a profit of 60,000.
I developed around 89,510 rupees.
Profit of 49,000.
I made a loss of rupees 28,000.
So students are using algo trading in various competitions. Recently we conducted Investment Premier League where students, they learned different techniques, technical analysis, where they used all these techniques in trading.
It was moreover a technical analysis rather than a fundamental analysis. The strategies were involved like stochastic RSI, Bollinger Band, and exponential moving average of 9, 15, and 20.
Understand that how much discipline, decision making, and risk analysis is important for making continuous profit.
My strategy was to do scalping, to enter into the stocks, targeted high volume stocks as penny stocks.
My strategy was quite simple. I usually trade on the reversal, and also I have trained my algo in such a manner that my approach was conservative. I use EMA of 9 and 15, and through that I have made a consistent profit ranging from 4,000 to 9,000 a day.
At DBS Global University, we are not just teaching students to read the candlestick charts. We are telling them, we are training them how to analyze them, how to integrate AI along with the markets. Students use technical indicators like RSI, Bollinger Bands, ADX, DMAs to make their strategies and to execute.